Hi, I'm Claudia Pizarro Villalobos from Dorrigo, California, and today I'm in an Andy Boy romaine field in the beautiful Salinas Valley.
Good morning from Colusa, California. My name is Mitchell Yerxa, and I am part of River Vista Farms.
Hi, I'm Kate McCutcheon from Vail Ranches, and I'm standing in our sweet corn field here in the Imperial Valley.
The safe and health of our produce and employees is paramount.
During these challenging times, we just want to let everyone know that we've added extra safety precautions here in the field.
You're looking at a tomato transplanter using 6 individuals. This year, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we have on every single transplanter, every employee wearing gloves and masks and goggles. And they have this year especially these black plastic sheets and partitions keeping space between every single employee on this transplanter.
We practice social distancing to and from the field on our buses during lunch periods and break periods and throughout the workday.
Our workers are wearing face masks, gloves, and we have plastic guards where needed to help separate individuals when they can't be 6 feet apart.
From our Dorrigo family to yours, stay safe, stay healthy, and eat your veggies. Together, we will get through this.